Boom! Oops! Whoa, did you hear that? That was thunder and lightning. But why does it happen? Stormy clouds arrive. Before a thunderstorm, big clouds start forming in the sky. Inside the clouds, little bits of ice and water crash into each other. That creates electricity. Charges build up. The top of the cloud becomes positively charged, and the bottom becomes negatively charged. Oh, something's about to happen. Lightning strikes. Zap! When the charge is too strong, it shoots out of the cloud as a lightning bolt. Thunder roars. Boom! Lightning travels super fast, but sound is slower. That's why we see lightning first, then hear thunder. Easy summary. Clouds rub and charge. Gives lightning flash. Gives hot air. Gives boom. So here's the summary. Clouds charge up, gives lightning strikes, gives hot air, goes boom. That's thunder. Mini experiment. Wanna try a fun experiment? Rub a balloon on your hair and watch the magic of static electricity. Question for you. Have you ever heard really loud thunder? Does lightning and thunder happen at the same time?
Yay!
Smart kids, tell us in the comments. Remember, when it's raining or thundering, absolutely do not leave the house to ensure safety. Thanks for exploring with me today. See you next time for more science fun.